This is an example of the construction and deconstruction approach to solving equations, and we are specifically going to be talking about what you need to enter into MathAS so that you can get this question correct. So let's first just chat really quick about the construction story. So again, I know that x is first multiplied by 4, so we're going to start with x. Step 2 is we're going to multiply by 4. Step 3 is I'm going to subtract 5. Then my result is going to be 7. In order to deconstruct this, I'm going to start with my number 4, which will now become number 1. I'm going to start with 7. Step 2 is I'm going to, instead of subtracting, I'm going to be adding 5 or add 5. Remember, I need to do the inverse. Step 3 is I'm going to divide by 4. And step 4 is going to be the result, which is x. So again, let's look at this next to our solve process. So we have 4x minus 5 equals 7. I'm going to start by adding 5. So I add 5 to both sides. Negative 5, positive 5 makes 0. I get 4x equals 12. Then the next step says I need to divide by 4, so I'm going to divide by 4 and divide by 4. I get x equals 3. That's the result of x. Let's look at what you need to actually enter into MathAS now. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at what this looks like in MathAS. You'll see that I've already selected my construction and deconstruction options, so I'm ready to just enter in my solve process. I have 4x minus 5 equals 7, and I can see here it says to add 5. We are going to add 5 to both sides, and we get 4x equals 12. This is what they want you to enter into this box. So I would literally type in 4x equals 12. Then my next step is to divide by 4. So now I have 4x equals 12. I need to divide both sides by 4. And I get that x equals 3. I'm now entering this into that box, x equals 3. Again, I know it might seem a little bit redundant because you're also entering this 3 into the solution box right there, but that's exactly what MathAS wants you to enter in order to get the full points. I hope you found this video helpful.